with no shadow of doubt, it is the matter of absolute pleasure and high rewards for a wife to serve her husband at most. But it never ever means that one should treat as a servant or slave. Unfortunately, some husbands deem it beneath their dignity to assist wives in domestic chores. Hence, wives alone have to discharge innumerable family-imposed duties. Dear all, we should immediately commence assisting wives in domestic chores and serving ourselves at home, regardless of our personalities, posts, and profiles. Remember, assisting wives in domestic chores, serving ourselves and the rest members of the family can never be beneath dignity. Behold, the personality of the highest dignity, prestige, and the most profound profile, the last prophet of Allah, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, ever prided himself on domestic chores, on serving wives, and serving himself as well at home. Hazrat Aswad asked Hazrat Aisha radiyallahu ta'ala anha, what did the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam used to do at home? She replied, كان يكون في مهنة أهله تعني خدمة أهله. He used to keep himself busy serving his family. Bukhari, chapters on Azan and Nafaqat. Yes, dear husbands, the last and the most loved prophet of Allah, Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, mended sandals, patched garments, served clothes, and milk his sheep. So let's make firm intention to commence assisting wives in domestic chores, serving ourselves as well as the rest members of the family.